What? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oops, rolling away. Hey, okay. Today we'll open some bubble surprise and goodies. Yeah! Not two so many, and not one so many, but 3. We have only 2 bubble surprises. Let's open this one first. Rolling away. Anyways, let's open the bubble surprise. Yeah! Almost there, but not yet. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god, that was crazy. Oh my gosh. This one is a little bit impossible. I got it. Let's open it, guys. Oh. Oh my god, why is it opening at the 2 at the time? Oh. Whoa. Let's go, guys. We're almost there. This is hard work. I just broke it. Okay, let's open it, guys. Oh, you have to turn it. I'm trying to do it. It's opening. Whoa, look at that. What just happened? Oh, there's an L.o.L inside. Oh, look at her. She needs to get straightened though, but it's okay. Let's get her dressed. What a beautiful hat. It's blue. And it looks like a horse riding back hat. She looks good. How can I open the broken heart? Where's the checklist? Oh, it's right here. Oh, we got Race Rider. She cries. Aww. Hey, you just spit on me. Poor baby. Whoa, it has a medal. What a beautiful green outfit. Is she a girl? Yes, she is. She's a girl. Wait, are we gonna get a little sis? I don't know. We'll see. Wait, there's sand inside. So funny. Wow, her shoes look beautiful. Now let's put it on. Look at this. I can't even wear it, but it's a little bit tiny. Uh-oh. What a stylish girl. Just like me. Oopsie, I think I'll put it on later for now. Let's find out how she can take a bath. Let's go, guys. Let's open the broken heart, guys. What's in there? Little sequins? What should I do with it? How can I open it? Oh, I found the instructions. What does it say? Number 1, take the broken heart. I already did that. Number 2, break the heart, and then what are those on the top? Number 3, pour them inside the heart. Let's open this part. Now pour it in the heart. What happens if I pull it out? Oh, the next one is the sand one. Let's pull it. Let's try the hearts again. It's okay, we'll get them later. Now let's pour some water. Okay, good. Now I twisted it. Let's see. The water is going away. Maybe I need to shake it a little bit. Huh? I guess it didn't work. it's coming. What's happening? Look at that. Oh, it's coming. What a mess. Wait, hello. Forming more. Form more. Form more. Let's shake it up. What a mess on the bottom. Oh, it's coming. It's coming out. Look, 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 everybody. Look. Whoa, it's coming. Look at that. Let me shake it. Whoa, it looks like a volcano. Whoa, it's so sandy on the bottom. It didn't launch though. But it's okay, guys. We have bowl number 2. We didn't get a lot of bubbles from the first one, but it's okay. We have ball number 2. Let's open it and make a big volcano. Let's go, ball number 2. Hey friends, get ready. Super fun part 2 coming real soon. We will unwrap more adorable surprises together. Remember to stay on the lookout for it. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to join the fun every time. Catch you soon, friends.